creating a legacy of change can start from any age. I was surprised when I got to college and learned that some of the learners did not know how to prepare a CV on a computer. My name is Nadine Maselesele. I'm a former student at Salt River High School. I've always wanted to give back to my previous school because while I was there, I experienced many challenges firsthand. The youth unemployment rate is high in our country because they did not have basic computer skills. This is the first time that the school has a fully equipped computer lab. We call it the Dream Lab. Since the computer lab has been installed, the learners are far more motivated and inspired to learn. By sharing what we have and changing lives, we can inspire a new generation.